Hello, are you ready to how to Helen? Hello, welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. So today we are working on a 2003 Dodge Neon. We will be replacing the positive crankcase valve or PCV valve on this particular car. The PCV valve is connected to the valve cover of the engine. Now here are the symptoms of a bad PCV valve. This particular car is experiencing engine surges when idling. That's why we know that it has a bad PCV valve. Before we start, make sure you buy a quality PCV valve. It doesn't have to be from a dealer, but make sure you buy it from a reputable company. The PCV valve is part of the engine combustion system, so you want to make sure it is working 100%. A working PCV valve has a rattle when you shake it like this. Like I mentioned earlier, the PCV valve is connected to the valve cover. The first step is to remove the hose. Using a 24mm wrench, remove the PCV by turning it clockwise. Now, put in the new one and turn it clockwise to the valve cover. Tighten the valve with the correct torque or have it slightly snug. Do not over tighten or you might break the valve cover. Once the PCV valve is snug, reinsert the vacuum hose on the other end. And there you have it. So another job well done. So here are some glamour/awkward shots of the 2003 Dodge Neon. This has been another episode of How to Helen, and thank you for watching.